In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a 12-column grid in Figma. First, open your design in Figma and pick the frame you want to work on, for example, a desktop frame. Make sure the frame is selected, so any changes you make apply to that canvas. On the right-hand side, in the Design panel, look for Layout Grid. Click the plus icon to add a new grid. Figma adds a default square grid overlay. If you don't see Layout Grid, confirm the frame itself is selected and that you are in the Design tab on the right. Also, remember these guides are only visible while you work. They won't export with your assets. Next, click the little grid icon to open its settings. In the Type drop-down, switch from grid to columns. This turns the overlay into vertical columns that structure your layout and help you align content consistently across the page. Change the count to 12. 12 columns are a standard in web design because they divide neatly into halves, thirds, and quarters, giving you lots of layout flexibility without guesswork. Now let's fine-tune how the columns behave. Under Layout, set the type to stretch if you want the column widths to automatically adapt as the frame resizes. Choose Center if you prefer a fixed width content area that stays centered while the margins grow or shrink around it. Stretch is great for responsive designs. Center is helpful when you are targeting a specific fixed container. Set your gutter, that's the space between columns. A common range is 16 to 24 pixels. Smaller gutters feel denser and can suit compact interfaces. Larger gutters create more breathing room. Remember, gutters separate columns, they are not the side margins. Finally, set the margin, which is the space on the left and right edges. For a 1440 pixel wide frame, a simple starting point is 144 pixels on each side. That leaves room for a comfortable content area inside. With stretch selected, the margins stay fixed and the columns flex between them. With center selected, the total content width remains fixed while the frame around it can grow. That's it. Thanks for watching.